Hey guys, so I'm back with the kitties and they're all over me. Hey, what are you guys doing? Ow. So they're all over me today. This one is causing trouble, fighting with the other ones. What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? And Mama's eating again. They're just fighting, being kitties. So I have bundles of fur all over me. Isn't that right, guys? Oh. Fight. Ow. Those are my knees you're clawing. Oh my goodness. That one's not interested. Went to eat. What are you doing? You go over there, and you go over there. Or not, just come back to me. There's like multiple battles going on. And I don't know how to deal. What are you doing? Yes? Now there's only two. Kinda. Except this one. And this one is chewing my strap. Aren't ya? And Daisy's just watching from the stands. Daisy, help me out here. These are your kittens. So cute. Oh, she's down. And now she's up. With a scoundrel on her tail. Well, this one untied my shoe. What do you think you're doing? I'm gonna show you guys something. This is what they do all the time. Come on, get off. Let me stand up. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. No? You're all interested in my shoe. Oh. Yeah. See, they climb up my legs. Ow! Oh! There's one back here. Yeah. They do that all the time. Climb up my legs. It's like a challenge to see who can climb the highest. You're pretty high. Are you trying to get higher? No? Usually I have claw marks on my shins, but sometimes I don't. What are you two doing? But you can see already where they got some straight out from their claws. Hi. Come on up. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. While everyone else climbs my legs. Oh my god. Let go. Oh, oh. Hi. Hey there. Oh yeah. Kitties as per usual. Hey Daisy. I'm going to attempt to sit down. Well, you can see some guys out there. Hi guys. There's a porch area where they can hang out. What are you doing? Oh my god. They're on my back. See if I can do this. Oh my god. Hey. Daisy, help me. I don't know what to do. Here, you have one. While I try to get the other one. Don't even think about it. Ah, got one. Ah, no, get off. Everyone get off. Ah, I'm down. With probably a couple of scars. Hi there, buddy. Oh, there's one on my back somehow. You troublemaker. And then there's this one, like just chilling on the top of the box. He's just like, you guys could duke it out. I'll just sit here and chill. They're all battling over this one shoe. Attacked. Oh? No? You're done? What are you doing? Yeah. Oh. These two are climbing my back. Or kinda. Oh. Nope, all 5 are here now. All 5. I don't know where Daisy is. Oh, there she is. She's behind me. She wants to escape this madness. What was that? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh. Oh, that one's done. But here he comes for the kill. With some epic moves. Ferocious. Just look at that. Absolutely ferocious. What are you doing? Back for the next kill. Oh. Ow. He's just licking my leg. Like, what? Do you understand? He's just as befuddled as I am. What's the matter? Oh. Oh, my camera's about to die. Guys! I can't capture all your cuteness. Alright, I better go, because camera's about to die. So see you guys later.